Hey, welcome back. Happy Friday, everyone. Today is July 30th. On this post, I'll be talking about Bitcoin and how this potential move. It was a pullback earlier, breaking down from that bearish pattern I have been talking about for the past 2 days. Let's see how would this pullback actually get down to its measured target, which is about 36K, or could this be a very short pullback and Bitcoin is bouncing from here from one of the supports I have also talked about. I will also see how this Bitcoin move could potentially affect the altcoins. Okay, so that's something that would be talked about in this post as well. If you guys enjoyed this content, please do give me a thumbs up or subscribe to this channel. If you guys do want to directly support me, you guys can use any of my affiliate links below if you guys find them helpful. I personally use Webull and TradingView. If you guys do sign up with my affiliate link with Webull, you guys can also get 2 free stocks, and I will also get a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Before we begin, please do also be aware of any scammers in the comment section below. They try to get you guys to contact some random numbers or individuals and sometimes posing as my profile picture. Do not contact any of them. And please do read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. Please do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market. It is extremely risky out here, okay? Do your own due diligence. This is only my opinions and speculations. Now let's go right ahead into this post and see what is going on with Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, as I have talked about in the past 2 days, there has been a short-term bearish pattern that was apparent. On the 4-hour time frame here, we do have a rising wedge pattern which the price action did break down from. Measured target from that rising wedge pattern is about 36K. Price action initially broke down. The 4-hour 21 SMA has not even provided any support. Uncommonly, one candle actually broke below that support. Okay, so that's not very common for me to see. However, the price action did get back on top of this support now. The key, well, some resistance that I'm seeing right now is going to be about that 40K level again from past trading history here from these wicks. Okay, if the price action can actually stay on top of this 4-hour 21 SMA, then the likelihood of this breakdown going towards this 36K level becomes a lot less likely. However, if the price action is unable to actually stay on top of this 4-hour 21 SMA, the next level of short-term support, at least, I'll be looking at would be the 6-hour 21 SMA, okay? Which has been the support here. If that does not hold, then the next level of support would be the 12-hour 21 SMA, currently right at 36K, okay? Which would come up further in about 4 hours or so when it closes. So that's what I'm looking at as possible support if the price action actually continues breaking down. But right now, price action is rebounding back on top of the 4-hour 21 SMA, so it's looking pretty good in the short term here. Now let's go on the monthly time frame, where I do want to stress that in one more day, we're going to have that monthly candle close. And this could be either making a very good case that this is a rebound, and we might actually have 2 waves of this bull cycle here, as we have seen in the past historical data. So if the price action actually closes at 36K, that would not look too good as an engulfing bullish candle. Okay, that would actually be less of a strong case that this is going to be a rebound. It does need to close at least on top of 37.5K here, in my opinion. Okay, just right about 37.5K here to make an engulfing bullish candle here, to actually tell me that this is a strong case of a rebound. So that's something I'm looking out for, and we have about 1 more day until this candle close. So I do think this is a very important candle close here on this largest time frame for this chart. Let's go over to Bitcoin dominance. On the 3-day time frame here, as of about 2 days ago, we did close slightly higher with the higher wick here with the July 27th 3-day candle close. So because of that, I am leaning towards actually charting this as a rising wedge pattern, which again is generally a bearish pattern. Noting one outlier wick here from way back in about May, okay? Now, if this is a rising wedge pattern and goes accordingly to what I expect, then that would be looking better for the altcoins. Because if Bitcoin dominance actually trends downwards, or even better, if actually breaks downwards, that would give me more of a longer term trend here. Okay, so in that longer term trend, when Bitcoin dominance is actually trending downwards, if Bitcoin actually pulls back, the total altcoin market cap will pull back less. If Bitcoin actually goes up or consolidates within a tighter range, I would expect the altcoins to actually have more running room. That is also what I'm looking at as well for Bitcoin dominance. So let's see if Bitcoin dominance will actually at least first pull back to this bottom trend line or even break down from this bottom trend line for this rising wedge pattern. Key resistance approaching this top trend line would be the 3-day 50 MA, SMA, and the weekly 21 SMA as well. That's approaching the top trend line. Let's take a look at one more chart here, or two more charts here. The total altcoin market cap and Ethereum chart. Let's go all the way to the weekly time frame here, where we actually see a very similar chart, where they're both right underneath the weekly, or right at or slightly above the weekly 21 SMA. If Ethereum is actually able to close back on top of this weekly 21 SMA as well as the total altcoin market cap, that would be more of a supporting case that both this Bitcoin market and the altcoin markets could be making a rebound. So something I'm looking at for, first of all, would be the monthly candle for Bitcoin, and then total altcoin market cap in Ethereum weekly time frame. Okay. Let's even take a look at the monthly time frame. Well, it's not too indicative of that just yet. So even though we probably won't see an engulfing candle here for Ethereum and total altcoin market cap, I think getting back on top of the weekly 21 SMA on both of these charts would at least start to make a better case for a rebound. But on the monthly time frame for Bitcoin, that's what I'm looking at on the monthly time frame there. Ethereum, total altcoin market cap on the weekly time frames. Okay. So this is what I'm looking at. I hope you guys have found this post helpful. If you guys did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.